you cannot have double standards. Huko Rift Valley watu wakibomolewa, Gachagua anasema mimi nimewaita, nimewawarn, nimewaambia hiyo maneno muache. What are you trying to show us as the Kamba community? What are you trying to show us as the Kamba community? Yani hao wengine ni watu kutushinda sisi. Once I became the governor of Machakos, whether people voted for me or not, they all became mine. Mheshimiwa Ruto, when you became the president of Kenya, whether people voted for you or not, you became the president of everybody. Hii maneno ya kuona wengine wengine kwa kukienda kubomolewa inasimamishwa, wengine kwa inabomolewa, mimi nataka kusema wale wako na madharau. We are a community that should be respected. Na kama watu wanataka vitu hapa kwetu, wakuje tusemezane. Let them come, we talk, and you tell us what is it that you have, and we tell you what we have as a community. If it is for the benefit of the community, I will stand for my people. There is no way, even if it was President Ruto and his people were being destroyed and brought down, he would fight for his people. I am here to fight for my people. I'm here to stand by my people. Na kama wanangojea niambie watu wangu waende kwa street waharibu mali ya Machakos, mimi sio mjinga. I'm not that stupid. And God forgive me, I'm saying this in church. The way I cannot betray my community is the same way I cannot betray Kenya with another country. And that is my stand. I am the governor of Machakos. I will not betray my people. Mheshimiwa Ruto, I am a Kenyan. I will not betray Kenya to anybody or any other outside this country. Kwa hivyo, mimi nikipigania watu wangu, niwache nipigania watu wangu.
Wametoka mambo ya dynasty versus hustler, because I've forgotten the hustlers. What greater hustler can you have than somebody in Mavoko amefanya whatever they can, wanauza, wanafanya kidogo angalau ajenge nyumba, unaharibu hiyo vision ya mtu amehustle maisha yote. Wameisha hiyo, wameachana naye. From dynasty and hustlers, they are now going to Nilos and Bantus.